Hi everybody, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here, class 7, we have to complete the assessment and exercise. Why? Because we have already completed the chapter number 14, that is winds, storms and cyclone. So in the given chapter, there is a given assessment and exercise we have to carry on, in which first one is given as a MCQs, multiple choice question, there in which we have to do, that is tick the correct answer in it. Now first one is given as a cyclone alert is issued. Cyclone alert is issued before 24, 78, 12 or 36 hours in advance. So here is the 24 hours, but it would be right answer will be the 48, but here is given as 24 hours, so we'll have to write first one, that is A. So first one is given A. Which region gets the maximum heat of the sun? Poles, equator, none of these or both of these. So it is the equator, that is option number B. Question number 3, which is given as storm that form suddenly on land are called as tornado, cyclone or hurricane or willy-nilly. So that is B, A, tornado. 4 schematic diagrams are shown in given figure to depict the direction of a sea breeze. Which of the given correct option is? That is B, option number B. Fifth one, which of the following places is mostly likely to be affected by a cyclone? Mumbai, Puri, Goa, Porbandar. So option number B is in it correct also, that is Puri. High speed winds are called storm, air, wind, light. So high speed winds are called as a storm, that is C. 7. A fire alarm usually detects the smoke in the fire. Where should such an alarm be placed in a room? So that one is placed near the door, on the floor, on the wall, on the ceiling. So 7D on ceiling. Question number 8. Here is the some figure given below, in which we have to follow up the child blowing air with a straw near the opening of another straw, which has its other end in a soft drink bottle. It was observed that the level of the soft drink in the straw rises up as soon as air is blown over its open end. What will be the happen? Which one of the following best explain for the reason rise in the level of the drink? First, blowing of air decreases pressure. The straw of the soft drink bottle collapses air in blown over its open end. Blown of the air warms up inside. Blowing of air increases the pressure. So option number B, the straw of the soft drink bottle collapses with air is blown over its open end, that is B. And ninth one, question number 9. A curtain is hanging at the entrance of a room. A long corridor runs at the right angle to the door, that is parallel to the curtain. If a strong wind blows along the corridor, the curtain will get pushed inside the room, get collected towards one direction, get pushed outside of the room, remain unaffected. So first one get pushed inside of the room. 9A. Next one is fill in the blanks. Next one will be fill in the blanks. First, here is given as On heating air become and hence rises. On heating air become lighter. First one, second. Press near the or warmer they get maximum heat from the sun. Near the equator. Second, third one. It is the storm that look like a funnel or twisting funnel of air. It is also a form of a star that twisting like a funnel. So that is called as tornado. Question number 4. High speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Question number 5. High speed winds can cause cyclone in the region of lower pressure. The main cause of wind movement is uneven heating. So that's all about the fill in the blanks. Now next one. Next is very short answer question. Very short answer question. First, it is given as first one. Why does warm air rise? The warm air rise due to heat. It gets lighter. Next one is question number 2. When you drink a soft drink with the help of a straw, what forces the liquid up the straw? Answer number 2. It is air pressure through which the liquid rises. That's it, question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is given. How are the wind current generated? Wind current generated due to uneven heat of the earth and low pressure. That's it. Question number 4. 4 is given as what are the tornadoes? Tornado is which we can say the tornado. Tornado is answer number 4, I think. Yes, answer number 4. Tornado Tornado is a violent twisting, it is a violent twisting funnel of wind which is formed when a funnel like or we can say it is tornado is a violent twisting funnel of wind. That's it. This can be most enough. Answer number 5. 5 is given here as, what do you mean by the cyclone? What is a cyclone? A cyclone is a violent storm. A cyclone is a violent storm accompanied by strong spiraling winds. That's it. Now question number 6. Answer 6. What it is? Question number 6 is, what is cyclone shelter? So cyclone shelter must be do not lie on ground, that is, take shelter under isolated tree. Go inside a building. Go inside the buildings. Take a shelter in car or bus. Get out of water if you are in water. So this is the shelter of cyclone. Next is answer number 7. Answer number 7 is given as question 7. What are the tornadoes shelter? Remain in the house and make a underground room with no windows. That's all. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, a flat in Mumbai with a balcony facing the sea has some clothes hung on clothes in balcony. Towards which direction will the cloth will be blown in the afternoon? So in afternoon, when sea breeze happens, the cloth moves towards the balcony. When there is sea breeze happens, so the classes moves towards the balcony of the building. That's all. Next is question number 9. Question number 9 is given here in that form. So the diagram is given, and diagram showing like this. And here is point A and point B is given. So the question is, the given figure shows a diagrammatic representation of a trees in the afternoon along a sea coast. State on which side is the sea. A or B? Give reason why. The sea will be in the B side, because when sea breeze it flow the tree into direction into A direction. That's why when the sea breeze blown, then these plants also get blown towards this side. So from the side B to side A, that is to this way. This is why the question number 9. Now the question number 10. Question number 10 is given as 10 is given what will happen? Okay, it is the next time we'll have to discuss.